Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will cover the last three branches of chemistry, right? As in the previous two lectures we have covered the introduction of fundamental of chemistry chapter number 1 and the first 5 branches of chemistry. Let's take a start with the branch nuclear chemistry. What is nuclear chemistry? It's a branch of chemistry that deals with the nucleus, as the name indicates, nuclear. Okay, so it's all about the nucleus. You know, nucleus have proton and neutron. Okay, so how you will define the word nuclear chemistry? We can say it's a branch of chemistry that deals with radioactivity, nuclear processes and properties. Properties of what? Properties of nuclear. Nuclear processes. Okay. There are so many processes that takes place inside the nucleus. For example, nuclear fusion and nuclear fission reaction. What is nuclear fission reaction? The breakdown of nucleus into small particles is known as nuclear fission. And when the small molecules combine, they make a nucleus. For example, proton and neutron, they make a nucleus. This is known as the nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fission reaction first, second is nuclear fusion reaction. Okay, so in the nuclear processes, nuclear chemists discuss with these all. And properties of nucleus means the properties of nucleus. Is it there any charge on the nucleus and all about this. And what is radioactivity? How you will define the word radioactivity? Write down the definition right over here on your book. When unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation. Okay, when an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation, this process is known as radioactivity, and the unstable atom is known as radioactive element. Okay, I'm going to repeat. When unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by radiation, this process is known as radioactivity. Okay, and we will discuss the radioactivity in the nuclear chemistry. So there are the three portions of this definition. First, it deals with the radioactivity. A. B. Nuclear processes. C. Properties of the nucleus. Okay. So what is the main concern of this branch?